Alright guys, what we got here is a grinding job, and what's it for is my buddy, his generator. Well, I'll show you out there. It needs a new shaft, so I don't have any long tubing or steel shaft, so we're just going to use these bolts here, and they're good enough. I mean, about 3/4 of an inch, and this is a little higher than, I believe it's one step down from grade 8, but I'm not quite sure because it doesn't have the grade on top of the head. But what we're going to do is grind the side of it off. I did most of the work already. Just clean it up right now. And that's it. So, let's get that burr off here. Yep, there we go. So when you use one of these and you want to make it flush, in other words, you want to make it even. You don't want to make it so, see, it's got a taper right there. We actually don't want that at all. So what I'll do is I'll angle my hand this way more. And then when it connects to this spot here, I'll stop. And then I'll know it's completely flush. But let me get back at it because I'm doing this one-handed. Yep, there we go. Perfect. So, now we'll just put her on there and that'll be that. Now, got that all out of there. Clean her up a little bit. Bunch of sawdust all over the place. Go right through here. Now remember, side that we grounded, put on the bottom. And there you go. Now put the tire on it. Put the nut that we actually don't need, but we're only using it for temporary. The wheel don't fly off. And then we're going to go to a hardware store and we're going to get the proper ones. So this is a snug fit. See, she spins. Yep, spins good. Disregard these. Keeping the lock nuts and washers though, but the rest of it's just trash. And that's it. So there you go, guys. That's how you repair a bent axle. Well, can't really call it an axle. Just a Jimmy rig carriage bolt, and put in some beefier stuff, and you'll never have that problem ever again. So that's it, guys. You guys like this footage, give a thumbs up, thumbs down. Later.